Are you looking for the best? Room divider screens are versatile and stylish. They can define spaces, hide clutter, and add a decorative touch. With various designs, materials, and sizes available, choosing the right one for your needs can be challenging. This blog post will guide you through the top room divider screens. List number 1, portable room dividers and folding privacy screens. Transform your space with this versatile 6 feet portable room divider. Perfect for dorms, studios, and offices. Its 88-inch wide fabric panels ensure privacy and style. Freestanding design allows easy movement and rearrangement. Effortlessly create distinct areas in any room. Enjoy a blend of functionality and elegance with this 4-panel partition. Advantages: enhance privacy in dorms, studios, or offices with ease. Create separate areas quickly with this freestanding wall divider. Lightweight and portable, move it anywhere as needed. The 4-panel design allows flexible room configurations. The fabric material adds a stylish touch to any space. List number 2, Japanese 4-panel screen room divider. Transform your space with the Roundhill Furniture Black Japanese 4-panel screen room divider, Plum Blossom. This elegant divider features beautiful plum blossom designs that add a touch of nature to any room. Perfect for creating privacy or sectioning off areas, it offers both style and functionality. Its lightweight design makes moving and adjusting effortless. Crafted with care, this room divider is a charming addition to your decor. Advantages: elevates room aesthetics. Enhances your space with elegant plum blossom design. Provides privacy. Creates a private area in shared rooms effortlessly. Flexible decoration. Easily movable to fit any room layout or style. Space divider. Divides large spaces into functional areas with ease. Lightweight and durable. Built to last while being easy to move around. List number 3, panel room divider. Create a cozy, private space with the Rantila single large panel room divider. This freestanding divider measures 71-inch W x 71H, perfect for any room. Its sleek gray design adds a modern touch to your office or home. Enjoy easy setup and movement with its lightweight structure. Ideal for separating spaces or creating quiet areas. Enhance your room's functionality effortlessly. Advantages: creates instant privacy in shared office spaces. Simple and effective. Easy to move and position. Perfect for changing needs. Neutral gray color matches most decors. Blends effortlessly. Freestanding design requires no installation. Convenient and hassle-free. Large size offers maximum coverage. Ensures complete privacy. List number 4, wall divider wood screen 4 panels wood mesh hand. Enhance your space with the 6-foot wall divider. Its hand-woven wood mesh design adds a touch of elegance. The 4-panel screen offers flexibility and easy portability. Perfect for creating privacy or dividing rooms in style. The black finish complements any decor seamlessly. Advantages: enhances privacy in shared spaces. Perfect for creating personal areas. Portable and lightweight. Easy to move and rearrange. Hand-woven design adds a touch of elegance. Stylish and functional. Folds easily for storage. Saves space when not in use. Versatile use for any room. Ideal for homes or offices. List number 5, Oriental Shoji 4-panel screen room divider. Add elegance to your space with the Roundhill Furniture Oriental Shoji 4-panel screen room divider. The stylish black finish complements any room decor. Lightweight and easy to move, it provides privacy and enhances room aesthetics. Perfect for creating separate areas in your home or office. Advantages: transform any room effortlessly with this elegant divider. The Roundhill Furniture Oriental Shoji 4-panel screen room divider, Black, offers practical benefits for enhancing your living space. Enhance privacy in shared spaces. Perfect for bedrooms, dorms, or offices. This divider creates private areas without permanent changes. Add a touch of style instantly. Its classic design complements various interior themes. The black finish adds sophistication and elegance. Easy to move and store. Lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures convenience. Folded to store or transport easily. Maximize space flexibility. Ideal for open-plan living areas. Adjust room layouts for different occasions. Create a cozy ambience. Soft light filters through its panels. Calm and relaxing atmosphere with ambient lighting.